When we talk about personality development, people usually jump straight to communication, confidence, leadership, productivity, and so on. But the truth is, none of this can grow unless we first understand who we are inside. And that is why self awareness becomes the foundation of personal growth. Self awareness isn't about labeling yourself as good or bad, it is simply about seeing yourself clearly, just like you would look into a mirror that doesn't hide anything. It is the ability to understand what you feel, why you feel it, and how those feelings shape the decisions you make. When you develop this level of inner clarity, you naturally become more confident, calm, and grounded because now you understand the real you, not just the version others expect from you. Many people assume self awareness is something that happens automatically as they grow older, but that is not true. Age does not guarantee reflection. Lots of people keep repeating the same patterns for years because they never pause to ask themselves why they behave the way they do. But the moment a person begins observing their own reactions, thoughts, strengths, weaknesses, and values with honesty, everything begins to change. For example, some people go through life thinking they are short tempered, but when they truly analyze themselves, they realize they are not angry people at all. They are simply overwhelmed, unheard, stressed, or trying to protect themselves from being hurt. That insight changes everything. Because once you know the root cause, you become self aware. Self awareness doesn't only help us with professional decisions, it also helps in education and emotional well being. For instance, think about Nana, who often found herself withdrawing during arguments with her parents. On the surface, it looked like she wanted to avoid fights, but when she reflected deeply, she realized she stayed silent because she feared conflict would make people leave her. This fear was rooted in Nana's childhood experiences, where disagreements often turned into long lasting silence in her family. The moment she understood this emotional pattern, she slowly learned to express her feelings without any fear, which eventually strengthened her relationship. This is the beauty of self awareness. It reveals patterns we didn't even know were controlling our lives. To cultivate this kind of awareness, we need to develop a habit of paying attention to our thoughts and emotions with curiosity. Whenever you feel upset, ask yourself what exactly triggered this feeling. Whenever you feel happy, notice what brought that joy. Whenever you feel insecure, explore which part of you feels threatened. Over time, these small moments of reflection become powerful breakthroughs. You begin understanding what motivates you, what drains you, what inspires you, and what holds you back. And once you understand these things, your decisions become more intentional, your reactions become more controlled, and your growth becomes more natural. Self awareness also helps us understand our strengths in a deeper way. Self awareness brings freedom, the freedom to grow beyond old patterns, the freedom to make choices based on clarity rather than confusion, and the freedom to become a better version of yourself. It is the quiet, gentle force that guides personal growth. When you understand yourself, you stop living life in reactive mode. You no longer allow emotions to control you, you learn to understand them, and this shift is what truly transforms personality from the inside out.